Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Z900. This Hypersport naked just arrived with only 2,600 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. Inline 4-cylinder, 900cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape. Beautiful metallic silver and black with the red highlights. And it's only $79.99. This has got to be the steal of the showroom. Not going to be here long. ABS brakes. Come on by. Make your Z900 dreams come true. We have finance. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.